Hi friends, how are you all? How many of you attend the class? Just give me attendance like hi, join the class. Yeah. Hi SMS bro, how are you? Hi. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes, okay? Not more than that. We can start our class at quarter to 4. Okay? Hi, how many of you present just to give me like attendance? I'm good, Fariha. So, Fariha, did you watch our previous classes? If you not understand anything in previous also, you can ask me, okay? Not only Fariha, anybody can ask me up to here. Okay. Previous topic also you can ask me, I will clear you. Mhm. So let's wait for one more minute. If anybody wants to join, they can join. Otherwise, we can start our class. Okay. So whose class is first class today? Okay, not an issue. But I will suggest you to watch my previous class. Okay, especially I told in another language sometimes. So the way you cannot understand, ask me that point. Okay, I will I will solve your doubt. Okay, in Hindi or Urdu, any. So I know four languages: Telugu, Hindi, English, and Urdu, and somewhat Kannada and somewhat Marathi. I know. Okay, you can ask me. I will try to solve in your mother tongue only. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay, let's start our class. Okay, friends. Hi, how are you? Today we will discuss the new numerical patterns, and after that methods and some other concept. Okay. Okay, let's start today's class. Let me share you the screen. Screen is visible to all. Just to give me response in yes or no. Okay. Without wasting time, we can go to directly class. Thank you. Yeah, let's start today's class. Mm, yeah, here. So I already opened. Let me create a one class for this. I'm creating a class. So P13 I am creating and giving abstract method, giving main method also. Okay. Here I want output like that. Okay. Let me show you how I need output. So what's our output? Let me check in Telegram. Yeah, our output was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we want this output. Okay, friends. So now first take a variable for that. Int n is equals to 1. Okay. After that, let's take a for loop. Simply control space. Okay, you get all this syntax. So instead here we are how many rows are they? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So I equals to 4, less than or equals to 4, and here give 1. Okay, we can start with 0 also, but I like to do with 1. Okay, so now take another for loop. Here give j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to 1. Okay, j plus plus. Now give the statement. Okay, so now here, one second, here j is equals to I. Okay, now here q n plus plus. Simply remove this ln statement, get out from the inner loop, and give here print statement. Okay, to print next line. For getting into next line, we are giving this line. Okay, now I will save this and run this. See, we get our output. Okay, simply let me explain you how I done this. So first of all, this is an outer for loop and this is an inner for loop. Okay, in the inner for loop I am giving another variables and conditional statement here. Okay, so it will gives the value however the I value here. For example, here I is 1, so here also j is equals to less than equals to 1, means it will print one time only, and again it will update to 2 here, then go for the outer loop and again come into inner loop. Here I is equals to 2. Now j is equals to 2, j less than equals to 2, the condition will be 2 here. Okay, here just to 2. Okay, for you understand, I typed it here 2. Now it will print two values, again it will print three values, it will update to 3 and it will update to 4, like that. It whenever it will update to 3, it also update to 3 only. Okay, 4, 5, how many you want you can give here rows. Okay, anybody have any doubt? Up to here, anybody have any doubt? Okay, what about you, Faria? Did you have any doubt? I think she gone. Okay, not an issue. Hmm, yeah, no problem. We can go to another problem. Okay, so now our other output is simply, friends. Now we want a output like that. Let me show you output. Hmm, we have to take another one. Okay, take another class, new class, and here P14. Okay, yeah, simply, yeah. Now let's copy the same. Okay, up to here we can copy, Control C and Control V. Don't worry, this is the same problem only, just the values will change. Okay, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so method also same for that, just you have to implement this variable inside the for loop. Okay, outer for loop we have to give this value, that's all. Now see, 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, we will get this output. Okay, if you give it outer one, if you give this variable, it declare this variable outside of the for loop, then you will get a 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Okay, if you declare this inside the for loop, you will get the output 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, simple. Anybody hand it out? Just yes or no. Okay, simple problems only, friends. Okay, don't worry, you just have to find out how you have to do. Okay, okay, no doubts. Okay, what about you others? What about others? No clear means you understand or not? If you understand, just type yes, or means no. Okay, I will understand. I will explain another time. Okay, okay, clear. Yeah, understand. Okay, let's go to another problem. Okay, problem 15. Here we have to do some work. Okay, let's call the main method main. Okay, so first we have let me check the output in Telegram. What is our output? Yeah, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 2 1. Let's copy this one, paste, paste. How many rows? 4 5. Okay, okay. Now simply here 1 2 1 1 3 2 1. Here also 3 2. Okay, we want this type of output. Okay, so many of you confused because you can do it easily these methods, but in this you should have to work some work. Okay, you should have to work hard. Okay, for this let me tell you, first you should have to check the spaces. Okay, how many spaces are there? Here one spacer and here two spaces. Totally how many spaces are there? Two spaces. And here also one and two. Here also two spaces are there. Okay, here zero spaces. So just to require to this, we have to just to find out once again. Yeah, we should have to write int space is equals to 2. Okay, so for printing this, we should have to write 1. Means how many numbers you want to print, 1 2 3 like that. Okay, once again, number of times, like here 1 we are getting, here in the second line we are getting 3. For this we are taking another variable. Okay, int yeah, num is equals to 1. Okay, now we will take for loop. just to simply remove. So into I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to, let me how many, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5, I place place. Now take another for loop. First we have to print spaces, okay, for index value j is equals to 1, j less than equals to space j place place, okay. Yes, why yes, so just to remove ln statement, otherwise it will go to next line, okay. 1 second. Yeah, here give string and insert a space, okay. Oh, now we have to take another variable, another for loop, okay, to print these numbers, okay. We have to take, for printing spaces we are taking this for loop, for the numbers we are taking another for loop, okay. Just to copy this one, instead of j we can write hmm, what is it, yeah, okay, a less than and equals to num, a plus plus here, okay. Wait a second, I have declared another variable I want to declare, like to print these numbers. How we had declared int n is equals to 1, I have to declare like another variable, okay. So int k, okay, k is equals to 1 because it's starting from 1 only, okay. Yeah, here I have to give, wait a minute, sorry friends. Uh, in that we have to give conditions also. I forget, just I remember this one. One second. Yeah, I remember this one only, sorry. I have to give conditions here, okay. We have to give if condition. If a less than, instead of parent is num divided by 2 plus 1, okay. For that, let me copy this one. I will explain you once I write this program, okay, how I have done that one, okay. Key, yeah, key plus plus else, this one, k minus minus. So let me explain you, okay, why I have taken these conditions means, for example in this output, n divided by 2, a less than n divided by 2 means, if it divided by 2 means it will get it half, okay. If we take less than means it will increase the values, okay. Plus 1, why, because for the middle I have taken this plus 1, okay. To get this middle value I taken plus 1, okay. And after, if it is greater than n divided by, if it is greater than means, if it is greater than half means it will decrease the value here, okay. In a simple manner, if it is less than means it will increase the value, means num divided by 2. If you divided by 2, what happened, like 5 divided by 2, 2.5, okay. So we cannot take 2.5, simply you can take 2. It will update the value, so like it will increase the value up to 2. For to update third value also we have taken 1, okay. In the fourth value, the condition will be false and it will minus the value, decrease the value, and we have another condition for that, okay. Just to get out this for loop, let me, 1 second. Yeah, else condition is completed, okay. For loop, inner for loop also completed. Yeah, this is outer for loop, okay. Now here, for outer for loop I am writing, okay. Insert this is also another condition, okay. We have to take another condition in this. If I less than 3, how many lines are there, 3, okay. If I less than 3, So space will be minus minus, and we have to increase the value by 2 here. Okay, you can see in the first line 1, in the second line 3 values are there, in the fourth line, in the third line we have 5 values, in the fourth line we have 3 values, in the fifth line we have again 1 value. So the common is 2, so we have to take common. Num plus equals to 2. Okay, again in the else condition, space plus plus num minus equals to 2. If anybody not understand, please ask me. Okay, so in the last we have to take get out from the else loop, else block. Now give SYS statement because to print in next line. Okay, to get into this next line we are taking this statement. Okay, simply save, run, see, you get our output. Okay, anybody have doubt up to here? Anybody have doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will sure clear you. If you not understand, I will clear in Hindi, Telugu also. Okay. No. Okay. What about others? Why the value? Which value, madam? Could you please type the all means which value you want, or you can come to Telegram live where you can speak. Okay, it will be easy for you. If you want to speak, you can come to Telegram just to join the live stream in Telegram and ask me whatever you want. I will explain you. Are you there? Okay, let's wait for 1 minute. She wants to ask you something. Okay, if you say me which value means, then I can solve your doubt. Otherwise, how can I get to know which value? Okay, taking you to. Which one line number say? Are you there? Hello. Mm, if you are typing, let me up to the time. Let me open the PDF. Okay, for the theory part. Okay, let me stop the sharing, and I will open my PDF. There I can tell you theory part. Okay. So anybody have any doubt, ask me. I'm here to solve your doubt. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Uh, for here, after the class, DM me personally. I will solve your doubt. Okay, if you are shy to ask anything, okay, not a issue. I can understand. Not only for here, anybody can ask me. Okay, if you are feeling shy, anything. Okay, all are equal for me. Okay, friends. Yeah, let me share you the screen. So, screen is visible to all. Just yes or no. Okay, I will move to the directly topic. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, let me share you. Okay, now our topic is methods. Okay, what are the method or the block of instruction in the form of statement used to perform various operations. For each and every operation, developer have to create different number of methods. Okay, method like in the, for example, you can take main method. Okay, see, uh, we are doing this operation, we are doing this operation inside the main method. Okay, means if you want to do any operation, we can create separate methods also. We can do any other method, we can create any method. For the creation of method, we should have to be uh, know these words. Okay, public, private, protect, these are the further topics I will tell you later. Okay, just to remember these names. Okay, public, these are called access specifier, and this name is access modifier. This is a return type. This is a method name. Okay, this is an formal arguments. Okay, just remember this. Inside the flower braces, we are writing our what operations, whatever we want to do operation, we can write inside these flower braces. Okay, anybody have any doubt? What is access specifier, access modifier? These are the names. Okay, in method. Okay, we have two parts of methods. Method have two, we have two types of methods, like method declaration or header. We can call header also. Okay, like you can declare by name. Or method implementation. Implementation is nothing but like we are giving inside this parent is whatever giving, these are implementations. Okay, context, body, block, boundary, you can call any name. Okay, so each and every method of a program all always, once again, are always represented by the method signature. Method signature, this is the method signature. The name, this is method signature up to here. Okay, if you give any number of game names, you can give to this. The signature means like you can give any, like for example, let me clear one method. Let me create one method. Okay, problem 16. Let me show you what is signatures. Okay, so main method we are taken. Okay, just to leave this main method. The main method is used for the execution purpose only. Okay, I will tell the main method story later. Okay, why you will use only main method means it will come in further topics. Okay, now if I told also you cannot understand. So for example, let me create another method. Public static void. Here I will give sleep method. Okay, in the sleep method, int string. Okay, these are method signature. If you want to call this method, then simply we should have to write sleep. This is a signature. Okay, means whatever you are giving in these values, it is signature. You can write any declaration here. Okay, I will explain you just to, for example, for explanation of the signature, I have just to create this method. Okay, these are the actual arguments. Yeah, it never be same. Okay, so signature. Okay, but method name and formal arguments and the signature of the method cannot be same. Okay, means whatever, like example, for example, you have created, like here you are giving the values, like you have given here string and int. Now if you give the values like that, means hello, then you should have to declare the variables. Okay, see here only giving error. Swap means try to convert this into disorders. Okay, it will not take, it should not be, it should be same, whatever you are giving, it should be same. Okay, see now we are not getting any error by these actual and formal arguments. Okay, whatever you have given here, you should have to give here also. Not only here, you can give anywhere in the program, depend on your requirements. Okay, for an understanding purpose I have created like that. Okay, this is method. Yeah, okay, so now let's do one example program on that. Okay, mm, what is method calling? Let's see here. Okay, let's do one program. Let me create one method. Instead of giving here nothing. Okay, nothing I am giving here. Instead of that, simply I call them. How I call them, let's see. Okay, so here I am giving system.out.print. Here uh, it is sleeping. Okay, now we create another method. Learn is learning. Okay, now I have to call this method inside only main method only. Okay, in the main method only, without main method we cannot execute this one. Okay, main method is important for us. Okay, learn. See, now I am calling this method in main method. Okay, now see the board output will execute. Sorry, he is sleeping, not it is. Yeah, okay, see I am calling. If I simply comment this, now see what happened. If I run them, it will get error. Why? We are calling that method which is not present in your Java program. What is the error is giving expression, expected expression in thread main java.lan error. It is a package, friends, java.lan. Okay, unsolved compilation problem to the method learn is undefined for the type p16. Okay, it is undefined. Where we are getting error, it will showing the line in the line number 6 we are getting error. Okay, if I simply comment this also, now it will execute. Okay. Mm, okay, friends. This is method calling statement. This process is called method calling statement. So anybody have doubt in method calling statement? How we are calling a method inside the main method? Okay, good. Anybody else? Anybody have any doubt? Not only SMS, anybody can ask me any doubt. Okay, don't feel shy anything. Okay, nobody don't know anything. Okay, all are came here for learning purpose only. So ask me openly any doubt are there. I will solve. I am here for you to teach you. Okay, if you are feeling shy anything, then after the class pin me in direct personally. I will solve your doubt. Okay, if you want I can share code also, not an issue. See, one second. Yeah, access specifier for the method declaration or header. Access specifier, you can write anything like public static. You can you can write here access modifier also. You can write here access specifier also. Okay, here method name, variable declaration, formal arguments. Instead of that you are writing statements. Okay, this is statement. This is statement. Okay, not only you can write this statement, you can write any statement here. Okay, depend on your operations. For understanding purpose I have given this one. Okay, see method functions. Once again, yeah, in order to compile the program, the syntax of the member methods of the variable should be correct. See how, before let I show you. If the I have given the string and hello, then I have given that. Okay, now we are getting error because it is not correct with the syntax. That's why it will given to error. Okay, instead of that, and to execute any program, it is compulsory to have main method with string array formal arguments only, but not for the compilation. Okay, if you not given array also it will execute, but you should have to execute. For execution purpose we have to give the main method. Okay, without main method also you can do, but in the further class I will explain you. Now if I tell also you will get confused. Okay, friends. Now coming to methods functions. Okay, method with return type, what are there? Okay, you can create any number of methods, but JVM means Java Virtual Machine. I told you in the first class only. Okay, executes only main string string arrays method only. Okay, arguments. It will execute first this method only. Okay, signature. Inside that I am calling this. Okay, method calling statement can be written in any methods without executing the method completely. The control never return to the method calling statement. Okay. Hello, yeah. Here another one, method with return type. So in that we are giving the return keyword. Okay, a method can be designed to return the output back to the method calling statement by using return keyword also. Okay, friends. Let me share you how it will do. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, a method can be designed to return the output back to the method calling statement by using return keyword and by changing the return type other than void. Okay, void also a return type, but it will return a value whatever you want to return. Like if you want to return anything, then simply instead inside the return you can write. Okay, what is return? Return is a keyword used to return a value from the method into method calling statement. Return type is nothing but the data type of the value returned by the method. Okay, it will return the value whatever you want to return. If the for example you are getting anything, if the any satisfaction is means if any condition is not satisfied, then you get, simply you get, you return here. Once again. Mm-hmm. What happened? Okay, I understand. Sorry, I have to give inside the main method only, or I can give here also. Return syntax error. Okay, uh, return sleep. Java line. What happened? Okay, sleep method. I have to give method. One second. Why white methods cannot return a value? Okay, the two methods are same in line. Okay, not issue. Simply remove white. What happened again? Create. I already created. Yeah, object. See, it is taking the object only. Okay, not issue. Let me call this. Okay. What happened? Okay, in the return keyword, I will tell you for another example. Okay, not the issue. It will not working here. Let's take another example for that. Okay. Hmm, which example is best for you? Let me see which example is best for you. Hmm, wait a minute, friends. Hmm, yeah, let's take one factorial example. Like let's do one program with factorial. Okay. One second. Instead of all this, you can remove. Let's do one program. Mm, mm, for example, system.out.println. Here I am printing hello world. Okay. Now second line and factorials. Okay, factorials. Anybody all or no? I think. Okay. Don't be confused, okay? This is a fact method I will create later, okay? Mhm. So let's create a factorial method for that. Simply, I don't need to work hard on that. Just it will create, okay? Instead of private, I will give public. See, what about this object type is integer? So we have given integer value. Automatically, the compiler will create a method, okay? So instead of here I, it will directly goes to here 5, okay? We have to give 5 factorial. Now I will create one thing, okay? mm, int fact is equals to 1, okay? It one only we are starting. Now I will create for loop. Array. Mm-hmm. J is equals to 0, j is equals to 1 with 1, okay? J less than or equals to num. Once again, j less than or equals to I, j plus plus. Now instead of for loop, just I am taking fact is equals to fact into I. Okay, return fact. Here we are giving the value in the return. Okay, it should be inside a method only. Okay, but we should, whenever you are returning any value by using return keyword, you should not give any void statement here. Okay, because void also return the it is also a return type. Okay, void also a return type, and this is also a return type. Value, okay? Fact. What is the factorial of 5? Anybody can answer? Once again, what happened there? Okay, I have forget these statements. Syntax P1613, P16 6 I have given. Once again, where I have forget this? See, hello world and factorial of 5. Oh, I know everybody knows factorials. It will returning the value. Means whenever you have not provide any return void ratio, then you are giving the return factorial. Then it will directly go to system a main method and print the factorials. Okay, how that's hi Kumar. Okay, anybody have any doubt how we will give the return values? I know everybody's know factorials. Okay, so how many members are present till now? Just to give me like attendance. I just create an example to understand you guys. Okay, whenever you are creating any method and try to return any value, and here the object type is integer, so we are giving integer and we should have to return this value. How we can return? By using return keyword, we are returning this value. If you write 6 here in the, if you write simply, this is what is this, I told you before also, this is a signature method signature. We are calling this method in main method. Okay, here we can give 6 also. What is the factorial of 6? Just simply write, see, 446,656. It will directly, like for example, here 6, it will come here 1. Factorial 1 is there, means why I have given 1? for a product. Like for example, whenever you want to give any multiplication, you should have to multiply with 1 only. Okay, you cannot multiply with 0 directly. Okay, 1 into 6 into 6 into what is there, say 1 into factorial was there, 1 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, like that. Okay, hope you all understand this. What, bro? SMS, bro? All are clear, or anybody have any doubt? To returning this value, I just to return keyword. Okay, to return this factorial, you are giving return keyword. Okay, if you not understand, okay, ask me, I will explain you in another way also. Okay, not issue. So let's move to another topic. If the topic is small, then we can go to directly. Okay, I am method overloading. Okay, so what is method overloading? You can declare any number of methods with the same name with different formal arguments, known as method overloading. So you can declare any number of methods, means you can declare a 10 meters, 20 meters with the same name only, but the actual argument should be sorry, but the formal argument should be different. Okay, for example, here we are taken like just I will take another class for a a proper explanation of creating P17. Okay, finish it. I have created a class also. Okay, so let me create one add method. Okay. Okay, instead of this block, I will creating one method. Okay, public static void. So add method. Instead of add method, I am giving values int a comma int b. Okay, instead of this, mm, let me declare one variable also. Okay, Mhm. Here int sum equals to a plus b. Okay, now print the sum. We are not giving any values here. Okay, I will show you how I will give the values. Okay, just to simply copy this, paste. Why it will giving error? Because it has the same formal arguments. So we will change the formal arguments. Okay, we will give double a double b. Okay, now it will also showing error. Why? Because here we are given double, so that's why here we have to give double. See, not getting error. Now you can say, sir, we can declare a only one name for the variable, then we are declaring the same name to the another, means here I am declaring the same name, means here I am using like a different method. Inside the same method I cannot use the same variable. See, int sum, if I write also sum, means it will give you error. See, yeah, if I write also me, it will give error. This is local variables. You can create only one variable with the same with the one name. So I am creating this variable with the one name only, but in other method I can create. Okay. Now let I will take two methods is enough. Now I am calling these methods. with the help of signature. Okay, now I want to execute this one. I want to execute double. Okay, so I have to give the values in double. 33.45 comma 45.67. Okay, semicolon is necessary. Now see which one will execute. See, 79.12. This one is executing. You are giving values here in the signature. This is formal arguments. These are actual arguments. Okay. Now another add method. Simply 45 comma 34. See 79. So simply just to see what I am calling here. First I written which method. This method only I have written. Which values I am calling in the second one. Okay. But what it will execute, how it will executing, first which method we are calling with the help of signature, this method we are calling, so this one is executing. Can you observe this? I have given the same name, add. I have given the same name for the two methods, but the actual and formal arguments are different. These arguments are different. Okay, like that we can create n number of methods. Why you are creating a number of methods with the same name means, for providing a user you can access this thing by different ways. Like you can access these values by using double also, you can access this value by using int values also, you can do anything. So for doing the same operation in different ways, we are creating the method overloading. Okay, the main purpose of the method overloading is to do any operation in different ways. Okay, see here, purpose, it will help us to perform same operation in different ways. Hence it improves the flexibility to user to use the same operations in the same way. Even a main method can be overloaded, but the JVM always executes main method only. So first the main method only execute. Okay, okay, come to class. So up to here, okay, again I have to explain that. Okay, up to here, anybody have doubt or I explain again? Screen no. Sorry, bro, I didn't see. Okay, tell me from where I have to explain you. Just to give me a hint. Let me explain you from there only. From where I have to explain you. Just to tell me, bro. Okay. Yeah. From where? Let me explain you again this topic. Okay. So simple, bro. So I want to do the same operation in different way. So that's why I'm going to the concept of method overloading. Okay, method overloading nothing but we can create a number of methods with the same name. Here I am created a here I am created a method with the same name. See, I am created a method, two methods with the same name, but the actual and formal argument should be different. Here I am taking int values, here I am taking double values. If I simply take int value means it will give me error. See, actual and formal argument should be match. Why it will give means typecasting, auto winding. Okay, converting smaller value into larger value. Okay, instead of that, one second. 34 0.34. Okay, not issue. I will take type casting for another variable. Okay. Yeah. See, now showing compile time error. Now it won't show. Okay, you can give a number of variables inside this. Okay, we can do any operation inside this method. Okay, the main purpose of this method is second. Yeah, the main purpose of this method overloading concept is it will help us to perform same operation in different ways. Okay, we can do same operation in different ways. Code, which one code, bro? Hence improves the flexibility to users to use the same operation in different ways. Okay, yeah. If you want to see code, you can see code. I simply remove string s. Okay, wait a minute. Let me keep string s only here into C. Okay, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus S. See showing error. Sum to string. In this typecasting problem will happen. Okay, change the type to sum. If we print in string, it will print. If we give the value in double, it will not print. Okay,